Next, let's move to toolbar sort. So in toolbar sort, again, we'll try to plot the relationship between the category of products and their sales. Okay, over here. Now, there is an option over here. This is known as the option of toolbar sort. Now, if I have to sort them in the ascending order by category, by the sum of sales of category. Now, whatever options we have selected over here in the tooltip, by default they appear. So it's showing me that I can do sorting ascending by sum of sales with category. So when I click on this, it has arranged the data over here in ascending order for me. So the categories have been assorted in the ascending order for the sales. Now, since it has been arranged in ascending order, this category field is showing me a symbol of ascending. Okay. Now, if I have to arrange them in descending order, I can use this toolbar option. So this will sort the data values in the descending order for me. So it's doing it in descending order. Okay. Now, if you click it once again, it'll okay. Now in this way, it's being arranged ascending or descending. If I have to bring them back to the original level, just clicking it once and it's gone to its original level. So that was how we perform sorting using toolbar. Okay. Then there is a third option of performing sorting, that is pill sorting. So based on this data, the values which you have in these options, you get the in these fields which we have selected, category and sum of sales, you'll get an option to sort the values. So okay, I'll open a new sheet to explain you that. So it's you can see that it is so simple to make a visualization over here. Just bought two fields from the data set. One is categorical in nature, one is numerical in nature. Plot and plot is ready for us by default, and if we want to change the plots, we can change. Okay, we'll be studying the graphs in details. Just now I'm just telling you that how easy the visualization is in Tableau. Okay, it automatically chooses which is the best visualization, but you can anytime change the visualization as per your needs. Now if I want to do sorting, I can also do using pill. So these fields which I have moved over here in rows and columns, they are also known as pill. Okay, so I get an option of sorting over here. You can see this option. This is known sorting by pill. When I click over here, this is a sorting dialog box which has opened for me. Okay, and it is asking me, how do you want to sort? Do you want to sort using the order of the data source, like we saw in the data source tab? What was the order of various columns? Do you want to sort based on that? Do you want to alphabetically sort, or do you want to if I do alphabetic, it gives me ascending or descending? Or do you want to sort by field? So although it's sorted based on the sales values, if I wish to sort, I can also sort them based on the profit. Okay, so although the profit field is not visible over here, but I can also do sorting based on profit. Okay, so if I select profit, okay, and I say based on the total profit, I would like to arrange these categories in ascending order, then see what it does. Okay, so over here you see that I have sorted it based, I'm trying to sort it based on its profit value, and since it's ascending, so maybe the profit from furniture was the lowest, and then the profit from the technology was the highest. Now when I do it descending, then you see that the profit from the technology was the highest, then was office supplies, and then was furniture. So let's keep it this way only. Okay, so now I'll take the profit column. Okay, I'll take the profit value, and I'll try to see whether what's being shown is correct or not. Okay, I'll try to see. Now I have placed profit on the labels, so it's showing me profit for each category. Hence the profit from technology column is highest, technology category is highest, then is the profit from office supplies, and then is the profit from furniture. So you saw over here, using pill, I can, apart from doing simple sorting, I can also sort my categories based on a measure like profit, which was not at all there in the visualization. Okay, I was trying to visualize the relationship between category and sales, but I could also do the sorting based on this third parameter, which was profit. So since I have used this pill for sorting, so it's showing that this is showing a sorting symbol over here. You can see that a sort of a triangular figure upside down. So this shows that the sorting has been done on the data set using this pill. Now if I would like to sort it, okay, now I would like to reset. Okay, I'm trying to clear the sort. I have cleared the sort. Now okay, let me move it away. I don't want to sort by profit. Okay, now if using sales I would like to do some kind of sorting, then the system won't allow me over here as of now because it's a continuous field. So now let's move to marks card slot. Again in marks card slot, first of all let's plot the relationship between our categories and the sales. Now let's sort using the marks card. So this thing, this pan of marks, this is basically known as marks card, where we can enhance our visualization by adding colors, size, label to it using some other parameter if I want. So if I want to color them using profit, I can take the profit parameter and place it on colors. So now based on the profit range, which the profit they are generating for the business, these have been colored. So the profit from furniture is lowest and the one from technology is highest. So this range shows us the amount of profit being contributed by each of these categories. Now if I would like to perform sorting over here based on the profits, now if I go over here, since it's a continuous field, I'll not get an option to perform sorting. Okay, over here also I'm not getting an option to perform sorting. So in the categorical field I'll go, I'll write sort and I'll ask it that please do the sorting for me, and manually I would like to give you that how you have to, or maybe using fields I would like to give you that how you have to sort the values for me. So please sort them based on, just a second, here is profit, based on profit for me. Okay, so see over here it has sorted it for us from minimal to maximum. If I click over here, just a second, if I click over here and say again, I will go to sorting and do descending this time, so it will be arranged in descending for me. Okay, so in this way I can perform various kinds of sorting on the data values I have when we are doing data visualization in Tableau using various kinds of parameters. Hope the sorting is clear to you all, and this was all from my side in data sorting in Tableau. Let's meet in the next video.